An unbelievably beautiful beach. Wow. We've been warned about jellyfish. Oh, it's a bit cold. It's a bit cold. I think if we just be careful, keep our eyes out, it'll be alright. Right, let's get our trunks on. Wow, I'm amazed. Definitely worth coming to. This is fantastic. What do you think? Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna let me, Mr.
Well, let's get your proper stuff on.
Ow, that hurt.
What?
The stones. They're the worst.
Oh, it's actually cold. Like people packing away. Oh! Wow, lightning. Oh. The timing.
Lightning.
Let's get out. It's annoying timing. Hopefully it'll pass. I'll do a weather check. Hurry up. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Oh. That went away. Hopefully it'll pass, but it's better to get out of the water while there's thunder. Whoa! You just stay under that one. Wow! Stay here a minute, I want to get a picture. Stay there. What are they doing now? Clara.
Are you taking
What?
a picture?
Yes, yes, she is. What is going on now? Oh, okay, that's it. Muchas gracias. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What is going on there?
Update.
Oh, what is going on? Well, I don't know what's going on with the tables. What's he doing? Is he doing on defense?
He's making a cross for a canal to pass.
You're correct, I think. That is nuts. Oh, we're not swimming in that, it's full of sand.